It's really hot today, so the pool will be perfect. Grab your towels and let's go.
I'm so excited for the pool. I've been waiting all week. All right, calm down. Make sure you bring everything this time.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Safety first.
I can't wait to jump in the water. Today is gonna be great.
Wow, the sun is really strong today. Stay close to me.
Ah! Hey, slow down. The floor is wet. Look at me. I feel like a real swimmer.
Put your goggles and cap in the bag so we don't lose them.
I'm going in first. Last one in is a turtle.
The water feels great. Come on in, Tom.
It looks fun, but I feel a little nervous. Oh, wow. That's really cold. Huh? Don't be afraid. It's safe here. Oh! Okay, here I go! That was awesome! I feel so brave now! The sun is so bright. It hurts my eyes.
Tom, did you put on sunscreen?
Huh. No, I forgot. My face feels hot.
Come up for a minute. Let me help you. Stay still. This will protect your skin.
It feels cold, but that's okay. All right, I'm ready to go back in. Here I come again! I can swim all the way across. Water got in my eyes. Help me! My eyes really hurt. Hey, did you wear your goggles? No, I didn't think I needed them. Come on, we'll fix it. Here they are. You should always bring them. Let me adjust them so they feel comfortable. Wow, I can see clearly now. See? much better, right? Let's swim together. Let's try it now. That was so fun. That splash was huge. Let's race to the wall. Yeah! Faster. Water is stuck in my ear. Try tilting your head like this. Oh no! Water went up my nose. I have an idea. Really? What is it? Let's see who's faster. They look funny, but okay.
Pull it down over your ears.
We look so silly. Okay, now I'm ready. Here comes another big splash. This looks funny, but it works. Dad, can you teach me how to swim like that?
Sure. Watch me closely.
Sit here and watch my arms. Move your arms out. Then pull them in. Kick your legs like this.
Okay, I'm trying.
Good job. You're doing better.
I'm swimming. This feels great. I'm just floating and relaxing. Anna, watch out! I'm coming down. Woo! Okay, that was funny.
Careful, kids. Keep it fun.
I'm starting to feel cold. Achoo!
Dry off well, or you might get sick. Rub your arms and stay warm.
I feel cold too.
Here you go. Ah,
Thank you, Daddy.
We look so funny like this.
Lunch is ready. Come eat.
Let's eat and get our energy back.
I'm so hungry after swimming.
Drink slowly and relax.
My favorite part was teaching you how to swim.
You did great today.
We're tired, but this was a wonderful day.
These are the things we always need at the pool.